this is code.org. Let's see, falling. If the user, if you don't have this, you need to go back to the other sections. I have tutorials on them if you're stuck. If the user doesn't do anything, the player sprite should fall. Well, nope. Do this. Find the comment, code comment falling. And remember, comments are for us, right? The player. They are not for the computer. The computer just ignores a comment. This is for the programmer player, the programmer to find and read. Use the counter pattern with the player's sprite velocity y to make the flyer fall. All right. So remember what the counter pattern is. The counter pattern is x equals x plus 1. And since the draw loop, this big green thingy, runs 30 times a second, 30 times a second, you would then in that situation add to x. So if you want to take the y velocity falling of the player, well, the sprite's name is player, player.velocity y equals player dot, and I could have just dragged it out too, velocity y. Now, what do we want to do? Do we want to add or subtract? Well, way up here, y is 0. Way down here, y is 400. So to go down, it is somewhat strange, but you add. So I'm going to try a plus 1. Now, 30 times a second, I'm going to add to the player's downward movement every time this runs. And what this does is say, okay, the player's y velocity is now equal to, right? The computer hits this and says, the player's y velocity has a new value. It is what? Oh, well, it's equal to the old value, which if the game just started, I guess is 0, plus 1. So that would be, oh, okay, so its new value is 1. Goes down here, redraws our sprites, goes back up here, blanks out the background, so now everything is just light blue. This is so fast, we never see a plain light blue background, but it's there, it's just light blue. And it then hits this again and says, okay, y velocity has a new value. What is it? The old value? Well, what did I just say? It's 1 plus 1. Well, that would be 2. So the new value is now 2. Goes all the way down here, moves our sprite down 2, blanks out the background up here. Now, y velocity has a new value. What is it? 2 plus 1 is 3, so now it's 3, so on and so forth. Let's see if we fall. To our death. Okay. Test your code to make sure it works. The sprite should go down faster. Yep, we have it. Onward.